Hello everyone, it's Sally from Still Mind. Welcome to our first Facebook Live meditation session. I'm really happy to be here on Facebook with you. Now tonight's meditation is going to get us to think about calming our body in order to help calm our mind as well. So for the next few minutes, gently close your eyes and pick a comfortable position in which to do this meditation. You can do this exercise sitting, standing, or lying down. It can be done anywhere or any time you need to calm down. Tune in to the sensation of breathing at the nostrils. It may help to take a few deep breaths to arrive into your present time experience. Begin with the left arm. As you breathe in, picture the arm filling with the energy of the breath. As you breathe out, imagine pushing the breath energy out through your fingertips. Tune in to the left arm as you do this, keeping both the physical body and the visualization in your awareness. When the mind wanders off into thought, gently bring it back to the breath. Now switch to the right arm. Breathe in, filling the arm with the breath energy. Exhale and release the energy through the right fingertips. Tune in to the right arm as you do this, keeping the physical body and the visualization in your awareness. When the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Now shift your awareness to the torso. Visualize filling the entire chest and abdomen with breath energy as you inhale. Push the breath down, out through the bottom of the spine and tailbone as you exhale. Now turn your awareness to each of the legs. Start with the left leg. Breathe in the energy and then push the breath out through the foot. Now switch to the right leg. Breathing in the breath energy in through your legs, and then pushing the breath out through the right foot. Now try and bring it all together. Breathe in and fill your entire body with the breath. Imagine the body being filled with the energy of the breath from head to toe. Noticing that the slow breathing in and out calms the body and in turn calms the mind. Each time you exhale, let the breath out through the fingertips, the base of the spine, and the feet. And now begin to wriggle your fingers and your toes, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining in. Please leave comments below, hit like, and follow me on Facebook. And if you would like longer, more in-depth meditation classes, please visit my website www.stillmind.me.uk and click on the live stream page for more details. And until this time on Wednesday, stay safe.